Well, hello there. My name is Latoya Ebony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I make tons of natural hair care videos. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit me up on Instagram. That was not very professional, so here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming. Now today I'd like to present to you 4 5-minute hairstyles that you can do right before that important meeting or your web call. Enjoy. This is the perfect tutorial for someone constantly in a rush to get to the office or their web meeting, me. These are especially perfect for mini twists or locks, though these styles can be done on loose hair, so keep some straight pins nearby. Hairstyle number 1. This first one's really simple. Secure your hair in a low side ponytail. Then take medium-sized chunks of loose hair and roll up toward the base of the ponytail. Once the mini bun is close to the ponytail holder, secure with straight pins. Repeat this action until all of the loose hair makes a neat low bun. Now you've got a simple spin on a classic bun. You can leave a few twists down in the front or tuck them all back like I did. Now some of you may be wondering how I keep my hair moisturized while they're in twists. I've been wearing these twists for about a week and a half now. This is when they were fresh, but this is what I do. I use a serum on my edges by Natural Club to keep them hydrated. Then I mist water and then layer on a lightweight hair moisturizer from Camille Rose. Pressing the moisturizer into the twists works the best for keeping them neat. And the last step is to layer oil to seal the moisture in. Style number 2. For this next style, you'll be creating some flat twist. Beginning from the front right side, take 2 evenly sized chunks of twist and twist the section around each other while working backwards. Keep the flat twist close to the head, and when you get to the back, use straight pins to hold the twist in place. Now, if you don't like how the flat twists are laying, use straight pins to create a shape that fits your head shape and style. Now go ahead and repeat the process on the left. Now for a little spice, I've added lock jewelry along each side of the flat twist. This style is the starting style for style number 3. Style number 3. Take the loose hair in the back and roll the ends up until you reach the nape of your neck. I tried rolling upward at first, but later decided rolling under looked more neat. It's your choice. And voila! You've got a whole new hairstyle in, 2 minutes? Style number 4. So think of your hair in 2 sections, one front section, one back section. Starting from the back, group the back half of twist and begin creating a vertical rolled flat twist. It starts at the nape of the neck and ends at the crown of the head. Then take lock jewelry and create rows of designs along each side of the flat twist. Of course, this is optional. Now gather the front half of the hair up to the crown and join the back and the front halves into a ponytail. Then you just take the loose ends and wrap them around the ponytail holder until you create a little knot. Use straight pins to create the shape of bun you want. Now I added some lock jewelry to put around the base of the bun. Like I keep saying, this is optional, but I think it's kind of nice to add some jewelry to these styles because they are incredibly simple. And, if you want a little pizzazz, you have that option. These styles are incredibly fast to do and can be done on loose, locked, or twisted hair. Now, I've gotten a ton of compliments on these styles, so, don't hurt them when you're smiling and flexing on that webcam or in the office. Oh, hey boss, how are you? Yeah, I was just doing my hair. Never mind. If you enjoy my videos, be sure to subscribe because I know you've been lurking.
Also check out my playlist of other hairstyles that I've done. I tried to keep it very, very simple. And then I have another playlist full of my natural hair care routine. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in a few days. Mwah!